Hey YouTubers, it's Steve with AZ Blade Broker. I'm back again with another review on a new GANZO product that I received today. This is the G7452-CF carbon fiber scales. This one's kind of a departure from most of them that I've been getting lately. A little bit more square industrial look, kind of like a coffin handle. Rear, I like it, I really do. I like the style of the blade, false edge. Looks like it have a really strong point. Be a good penetrating stabbing knife if you needed it, but still have a very utilitarian kind of nice gradual sweep to it. Very similar in size and dimension to some of the other more popular GANZOs. Here it is next to a 7533. Pretty much spot on identical in all the dimensions. Anyway, ambidextrous pocket clip, tip up configuration, drilled and tapped on both sides. I haven't actually taken one off, tried to attach it to the other side, but yeah, it looks to me like it's threaded. Like I said, an axis lock, like a lot of the current models. Good looking knife. Let's get some dimensions and weights on this one. Okay. It's coming in at basically 8 3/8 inches here. The blade is going to be 3 5/8. Okay. It's going to weigh in at 128 grams, 130 grams. Okay. 4.6 ounces. All right. So I have these in stock right now. They are on my eBay store at surplus-steve11. We are also surplus-steve11 on Gunbroker. Got some of my automatic knives on there. Check it out. Thanks.